Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Magandang umaga sa inyo. At nandito kami para magdiwang ng National Heroes Day, Araw ng mga Bayani. And I would like to ask the employees of the Chinese consulate, we'd like to send this message. We ask the government of China to respect the legal process that is now ongoing in the Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague. We ask China to participate and honor the decision of the arbitral tribunal with respect to the case that we filed against China because of their illegal claims and illegal occupation of our exclusive economic zone in the West Philippine Sea and in the South China Sea. Not only the West Philippine Sea, but their illegal reclamation projects in the entire South China Sea, with respect also to their 9-dash line that we are questioning. In fact, not only the Philippines, but the entire world is questioning in the Permanent Court of Arbitration. Kaya pinaparating namin sa gobyerno ng China na igalang nyo ang proseso na ngayon ay nagaganap sa Arbitral Tribunal under the United Nations Law of the Sea, Convention on the Law of the Sea or UNCLOS. Kaya nandito kami, pinapakita namin ang litrato ng isa sa mga talagang iginagalang namin bayani ng Pilipinas, General Antonio Luna. Ang mensahe namin sa China, China, alis dyan, umalis kayo sa teritoryo ng Pilipinas. Ulitin natin mga kasama ang sigaw ni Antonio Luna, China, alis dyan! China, alis dyan! China, alis dyan! Okay, maraming salamat. Muli, mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Mabuhay ang teritoryo ng Pilipinas! Ipagtanggol natin ang teritoryo ng Pilipinas! Ipagtanggol! Okay, dito lang muna tayo.